Welcome to the fourth video of this Excel course, and it's about selecting data. In this video, you will look at how to select data in multiple ranges within Excel. So in the previous videos, I talked about the Excel interface and workbook structure. If you haven't watched those lessons, please go and watch those as well. I will leave a link in the description box. Okay, let me tell you one thing. Being able to select cells in Excel seems like a no-brainer. But being able to do it effectively is important because you want to be able to move data around really fast and quickly. So the basic way to select data is this drag and drop, right? So if I select cell E5 here with my mouse, I can just hold my mouse down right and drag this entire range. Now let's say I wanted to select these cells and columns but still want to have the original selection. So that means if I select this and I'll also want to select this, if I let go of my mouse and select this, you will notice that the selected range goes away. So the way I do that is by using the control key. So the first step we want to do is to select these cells, drag and drop the mouse, and now using your keyboard, hit the control key and hold down the control key and don't let it go. And now select these other cells in columns K through M. You will notice that there's a light gray outline that shows that these two ranges have now been selected. So this is a quick way to select multiple ranges because sometimes the ranges won't be connected or you don't want to select everything between the two ranges. So this is how to use the control key to select multiple columns or cells in Excel. Okay, step 2 here is using this autofill feature, which involves selecting cells in Excel as well. So if we have the number 1, 2, 3 and 4 here, and I want this to be 5, 6 and 7, right? Now how do I do that without actually using the keyboard? I don't want to actually enter number 5, 6 and 7 manually. So if I select these numbers here 1, 2, 3 and 4, and if I hover over the bottom right of the selection, you will notice that this little plus sign comes up. And if I drag this down, you will see that the below cell are now auto-filled with numbers. Okay, now let's try to do that with text. We have A, B, C and D here. I'm selecting that. I'm going to go to the bottom right hand corner again. I'll see a plus sign. This is why I know I can autofill. I hold down the mouse and drag and drop. You will see that the alphabets are now autofilled. Okay, so this comes in very handy when you are entering a lot of data in Excel and you want to quickly fill in the rest of the data by using autofill. It's a really super helpful feature in Excel. So this lesson was all about selecting data using autofill. I'll be discussing basic Excel formulas in my next video. See you there.